The sheep says baa, the duck goes quack near the old barn. The horse says neigh, the cat goes meow. Listen to the farm, let's hear them now. Moo, baa, quack and neigh, singing animal sounds all day. Oink, woof, sweet and roar, let's all make some sounds once more.
The pig says oink, the dog says woof. The rooster crows with a cock-a-doodle-doo. The birds go tweet, the lion goes roar.
So many sounds, let's hear some more. Moo, baa, quack and neigh, sing animal sounds all day. Oink, woof, sweet and roar, let's all make some sounds once more. The frogs say ribbit, the owls go whoop, the monkeys laugh with a hoo-hoo-hoo. The farm and jungle, near and far, are filled with sounds, just listen hard. Now it's time to say goodbye, but don't forget to give it a try.